Hello and welcome to the video on how to create a playlist. By the end of this video, you will be able to orchestrate test case runs using playlists and add test cases to playlists.
Playlists are a great way to bring all of your test automation together. And when it comes to creating playlists, you have multiple options, and it all begins with how you add your test cases to the playlist. You can bring playlists together by searching for tags. As I mentioned earlier, tags are a piece of metadata that you can assign to any particular test case that aligns it to a specific test type or initiative. The second means by which you can select test cases for a playlist is by the test case name. Either way, you'll choose a subset of the different test cases you want to add to your playlist. Once you've added the appropriate test cases, you can then name your playlist and then set additional information for its runtime characteristics. Now you have multiple options here. You can either execute the playlist right in your local environment, or you can set specific characteristics so that it can run on the grid. Here you see we have two agents configured.
As you come to the end of this video, you should now be able to orchestrate test case runs using playlists and add test cases to playlists.